Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Reliance's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Reliance has just released their Q3 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record tons sold to strategic market positioning. Let's get into it.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Reliance reported net sales of $3.65 billion for Q3 2025, with a record third quarter tons sold, up 6.2% year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The increase in tons sold is a significant achievement, especially in a challenging market environment. Reliance's gross profit margin stood at 28.3%, and their non-GAAP EPS came in at 3.64 cents, slightly below the forecasted 3.68. This reflects their ability to maintain profitability despite market pressures.
It's interesting to see how they've managed to keep their margins relatively stable. What factors contributed to this performance?
Reliance's scale and diversification, along with their high-performing management teams, have been crucial. They've captured market share by leveraging their broad inventory and processing capabilities, which has helped offset declining industry shipment trends.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Reliance reported a LIFO expense of $25 million this quarter. How does this impact their financials?
The LIFO expense is a factor that can affect their reported earnings, but Reliance has managed it well. They also repurchased $60.9 million of common stock, which is a strategic move to enhance shareholder value. Their market share in the U.S. has increased to 17.1%, up from 14.5% in 2023, showcasing their competitive edge.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Reliance in the next quarter?
Reliance anticipates stable demand across their diversified end markets, with non-GAAP EPS guidance for Q4 2025 in the range of 265 to 285. They are well positioned to capitalize on market rebounds, supported by their strong cash generation and dynamic operating model.
CEO commentary and strategic initiatives. Reliance's CEO, Karla Lewis, provided some insights into their strategic initiatives. What are the key takeaways from her commentary?
Karla Lewis emphasized Reliance's focus on customer service and broad inventory capabilities, which have been instrumental in capturing market share. Despite challenges like trade policy uncertainty and excess inventory in aerospace and semiconductor markets, she remains confident in their long-term margin profile of 29% to 31%.
How is Reliance addressing these challenges?
Reliance is leveraging their scale and diversity to navigate these headwinds. Their primarily domestic supply chain and strong relationships with U.S. mill partners provide a competitive advantage, allowing them to maintain strong performance and prepare for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Reliance has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025 with strong sales and strategic market positioning. Their ability to maintain profitability and capture market share is commendable. John, any final thoughts?
Reliance's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future growth. Their focus on customer service and inventory management will continue to drive their success. Investors should keep an eye on their performance in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Reliance's performance in the comments below.